Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, LED headlights, power lift gate. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.